Hey there, y'all. Bungle here. Hope you've been having a great day. Hope every day is a blessed day for you and y'all. So I got here some football card packs. 1989 Pro Set Football. Ooh, bonus. Win a trip to the Pro Bowl and NFL memorabilia. Earn free NFL merchandise. No purchase necessary to play the instant win game. So, Super Bowl collectible, extra point game piece, lots of great stuff in these packs, possibly lots of great cards, that's for sure. If you think about PSA values, a lot of times when we rip packs, it could be a rip it, flip it, collect what you love. You know what? I have a set of these already on the side that I've put together from packs I've opened in the past. So to me, everything else is gravy. So depending on what I find, getting something graded might be a good option. I noticed that there have been some pretty nice size jumps on these Pro Set cards over the last year or so. The William Fridge Perry card is the highest valued PSA 10 card. Most recent sale in a 10 is $215.49, surprisingly. Now, there are two series. There's Series 1 and Series 2. These, I believe, are Series 1 cards. Now, the reason I bring that up is the Barry Sanders, that's rookie card. That's in Series 2. That's somewhere around $135. But looking at the PSA price list as far as what's been sold, and this is on PSAcard.com. Now, it might not be the most recent, might not be the most accurate and all that, but you know what? It's what I use just as a way to gauge what the values might be. You got Rulon Jones, Dennis Smith, Kevin Mack, and Michael Irvin also in the top 10 values. Dan Marino, Randall Cunningham, Deion Sanders. It's a list of who's who of football during those times, during that 1989-88 season and 1989. All of those would be definitely worth getting graded if something is pulled that's that's well centered and just great condition, perfect corners, edges, sides, all of that. Who else? Thurman Thomas, John Elway, Dermonte Dawson, Nate Newton, Brian Bosworth. Now there's a Jim McMahon and the Brian Bosworth that has an error. I should say an error of variety. The Jim McMahon has no mention of the trade on the card front, or there's a mention. And the Brian Bosworth is, they have it listed by team nickname on front or not. So, pretty cool. There's another variety. Well, the Jim McMahon, I think, is in Series 2. Anyway, you know what? Enough talking about what could be. Let's find out what's in these. That's the more fun part. That's the funner part. Now, these are the garbage bag wrappers, similar to what Score was doing at that time and other card manufacturers were doing at that time. They're trying different types of packaging. For whatever reason, wax packs were starting to go away, and you can still find rack packs and cello packs, but a lot of companies went to this garbage bag wrapper. It was either that or the real upscale wrapper that Upper Deck was using, the foil and all of that. So let me not damage the cards before getting them out of here. That would not be fun. All right, there we go. Now we could see what these look like. All right, we're starting off with Super Bowl 10. We're seeing Randy Wright. That's what the backs look like. Got a big smiley face there. And yep, these are definitely Series 1. Look at that number 138 there. Got Charles Haley. Carlos Carson. Gary Anderson. Alvin Walton. Bill Bites. Cody Risen. Fred Smirlas. Tim McDonald as opposed to Tom McDonald. Tom McDonald's a YouTube musician, rapper, singer, all sorts of stuff nowadays. Really cool. You should check him out sometime if you can. Got Lewis Billups, Norm Johnson, Morton Anderson, Brian Brennan, Dave Cadigan, and Harris Barton. So not much in pack one that I'd put up on my wall of fame. As always, let me know if there's anything you would have put up on your wall of fame from that first pack or from any other pack. And I definitely appreciate the commentary. You know what? I think we all have things to learn about everything. And yeah, I know I definitely need to learn something about more football, that's for sure. Even during these days, I know the great names. But you know what? I do miss a couple. All right, we got Super Bowl X again. Super Bowl X seems to be a theme here right now. Donald Igwebuike. All right, we got our first one that I'll put up on the Wall of Fame. Doug Flutie. Very nice. Lorenzo Hampton. Eric Howard. Kelly Stouffer. Tom Newberry. Mike Gann. Dennis Gentry. Pat Beach. Eric Thomas. Al Toon. Mike Wiltshire. Lindy Infante, coach with the Packers. And Ronnie Lott. Now, should I put them up? No, I'm going to put them to the side. I think we're going to get a bunch more. And win with the NFL, Playbook 1. Ooh, scratchers. Scratchers. See how many points you get. Ooh, this one actually scratches. I tried scratching some of these before. I don't know, maybe my finger's just drier than usual because that's kind of scratching. See that? Maybe I scratched it the wrong way last time. What does that say there? I'm starting to see stuff. Y'all can read it with me. Got a safety, got 2 points. Woohoo! I got 2 points. I guess that's good in the grand scheme of things. I had no points before I scratched it. Now I have 2 points. Anyway, we'll get the Flutie up in a frapper there. All right, going to pack number 3 now. That's all smashed up. Mashed and smashed. Worse than a tater on Thanksgiving. All right. And it's sticking to my fingers. Look at this. All right, there we go. I got my fingers working correctly. I got the wrapper off my finger. And we got it again. Super Bowl X. This is crazy. Got 3 of those in a row. Maybe that's pretty common in this one. I don't know. Doug Williams. Jim Jeffcoat. They really want me to know about Super Bowl X. Steve Sewell. Will Wolford. Jay Novacek. Jason Buck. Dave Krieg. Brad Edelman. Kevin Mack. Now, that's one looks pretty good. What do you think about the centering? Because as I mentioned, that's one that would be in the top 5 or 6, somewhere over $100 in a PSA 10. I'm going to frapper that one up, get back to it later. Looks like the centering might be a little bit off left to right, but I'll check it out anyway. Got James Hasty, John Frank, Alan Pinkett, Vance Johnson, and Tim Harris. All right, let's get that one into a frapper. And I'm going to top load that one for now. You know what? I'm just going to put it into a frapper, I think. Because really looking at it again and again and again, the centering does look pretty bad. Maybe that's why it's such a high value PSA 10. Because they're all badly centered except just like 3 or 4 of them. Anyway, let's get going to pack number 4 here. See what we got in this one. It's been a pretty good December, I'd say, so far here in New Jersey, weather-wise. I think it's probably somewhere like almost 50 degrees outside right now, probably high 40s. So I'm filming this, it's going on midnight here. So, I mean, high 40s, mid-December, definitely not too bad. No, it hit 50-something, but we're going to be getting some rain shortly. I'm just happy it's not snow. And we got Super Bowl X again. Now, this is Super Bowl X in every pack. This is just crazy. Do they talk about any other Super Bowl? I think they... I know I've seen them. I know I have them. Got John Offerdahl, Keith Bishop, John Anderson, Hardy Nickerson, Chris Spielman. All right, Jim Kelly. You know, it's funny. It was just going through my mind. If these were wax packs, I'd be wondering if they were opened, because we haven't really had any huge, like, superstar, incredible hits where I go, ooh. Nothing really like that. Greg Bell, Alonzo Highsmith, Gary Jones, Stephone Page, Alfred Anderson, Steve Bostic, Marcus Allen. Okay, that's not bad. I might just put that up on the wall just because now. And Vesty Jackson, just to get something else up on there. I mean, it looks pretty lame. I mean, Kevin Mack would probably not be up there except for any other reason except the potential value in a 10. And I'm wondering if he even should be up there. Anyway, let's get to the next one here. You know, I'm thinking maybe I missed something in all those, because it was pretty lame for the 5th pack and not to have an entire wall already. I don't know. Well, you know, some packs are better than others, I guess. And I kind of say that often. Sometimes you get like multiple hits in a pack where each card is better than the next, and you're like ooh and on the whole way. And other times it's like, well, yeah, this was a dud spud. I don't know. I keep talking about potatoes. Must have taters on my mind. Or taters in my mind. All right, let's see if we get Super Bowl 10 again. And we're starting off with Super Bowl 10. Okay, well, Cowboys and the Steelers. Now, okay, well, not bad. 1976. That's January 76. Okay. I had to take a look-see. All right, we'll keep it moving. Got Lloyd Burruss. Brian Hinkle. Hey, you. Yeah, you out there. Ricky Sanders. Okay, well, not great, but okay. Pretty cool. Third year, fourth year, third year. Yeah. Not a baby. Nowhere close. Eugene Lockhart. Bud Carson. Bruce Smith. Robert Awalt. David Fulcher. Brian Blades. Nice action shot there. Bobby Hebert. Ernest Biner. Bobby Humphrey. Michael Carter. Fuad Revels. Okay. Hey, Fuad. Born, Columbia. Okay. 1963. Dude, you older than me. I think most of these players probably are. Some not by much, though. I guarantee that. All right, we got pack number 6 going here. I don't know. Maybe this is going to be the chicken dinner winner pack, because these definitely have not been phenomenal. They've been all right. I mean, you could put together a few good teams here, but nothing really like crazy, phenomenal, great, wonderful, awesome, incredible, and all of that other stuff. Still a lot of fun. I mean, I like the design and style of these cards. I like how it has the football lines on the side. I think that's pretty cool. But you know what? It's getting pretty lame just seeing Super Bowl 10 in every pack. Got Bart Oots. Ooh, gotta watch out. Right now, I was reading something not too much earlier today. Gotta watch out for your Quaker Oats. Says something about salmonella in a bunch of batches. Google it, check it out. People might have to start dumping their oats. There's not gonna be any food left with everything that's going on with the food system still again. Anyway, enough that PSA there. Public service announcement. Chris Dolman, Monty Coleman, Matt Millen, Keith Van Horn, Randall Cunningham. Okay, now that's a nice one, and that's nicely centered. That might be the winner of all of these packs. He's definitely getting the frapper. Let me move these off to a side here. So, yeah, that's a nice one. Look at that. Nice edges, centering's nice. That's pretty good. Might be just a smidge off left to right. I'll take a look-see at that one a little bit later under the tool I have here. Got Steve Court, Vincie Glenn, Harry Hamilton, Tony Eason, Eric Kumerow, Maurice Carton, Kurt with a C Warner, and Jesse Solomon. To finish that up, you just like looking at you. Yeah, you just looking out there. All right, we'll get the Randall Cunningham frappered up. I think that one I'll top load because the centering on that one looks better than the Kevin Mack, although not by much, but I buy it by a smidge. So I want to take a look at that one under the tool a bit later or sometime during the week, just to confirm, to see, because it would be nice getting a PSA 10 hit on something like that. Again, I have a full set of these on the side already done, so anything else is gravy. All right, we'll put that one, like I said. All right, pretty good, and that's it. Anyway, it is what it is. Sometimes you get a bunch of great packs, other times, not such a great stack of packs. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed. Let me know in the comments if there's anything I missed in the pile of cards that you would have put up on your wall of fame that I might have skipped out on. Y'all take care. Stay well. Stay blessed. Bunkle out.